So now we are going to create the Docker file for this application over here. So this is the tic-tac-toe application. So we are going to create the production grade Docker file over here. Okay. So first thing, we are going to just connect with your instance. So as you can see that, so let me connect with my instance. Okay, so I have successfully connected with my instance. So let's do sudo su for root permission for the root user. Okay, so then I'm just going to clone the repo of tic-tac-toe application. So here it is. So I'm just going to clone this repo. Okay, and I'm just using git clone and paste this link and my okay. So tic-tac-toe is successfully cloned. So let's cd to the tic-tac-toe. So as you can see that I don't have Docker file right now. So I'm just going to create another file over here. So you just use nano and then you have to mention the Docker file name. Okay, so we have this Docker file and then you have to press enter over here. So and here you can able to write the Docker file, but right now I'm just going to copy this one. So this is the exactly Docker file that we have created. So I'm just going to copy this file and paste it over here. Okay, so all the things is pasted over here, and as you can see that this is a production grade file. Okay, so we have mentioned the stages over here, and then we have all the things with the nginx. Okay, so once you're done with all the things, you have to just use Control S for save this file, and you can use Control X to exit from this editor. Okay, and as you can see that we are exited from the editor over here. So if you type ls, so as you can see that we have this Docker file over here. So let's verify using the cat command. Okay, so we have this file over here. Okay, so all the things is done up here. So in the next video we are going to understand what is the AWS CLI and how we can configure on this EC2 instance.